Hey kitchen connoisseurs! Welcome back to my channel, where we're obsessed with all things faucets. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Kraus, a brand synonymous with quality and innovation. We'll be ranking their top 5 kitchen faucets, so you can find the perfect match for your culinary kingdom. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates on all things kitchen related. So let's get started. First of all, I am talk about Kraus KPF1610S's Bolden 18-inch commercial kitchen faucet with dual-function pull-down spray head and all-bright finish. While the Bolden faucet has received positive reviews for its design and functionality, it's important to consider your specific kitchen needs and preferences before making a purchase. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Check the latest customer reviews and ensure that the features of the Kraus KPF1610S's Bolden align with your expectations for a kitchen faucet. The centerpiece of your dream kitchen has arrived with Bolden. Available in 5 finishes, the Bolden commercial kitchen faucet is designed to transform any kitchen into a high-end culinary workspace. The industrial pull-down faucet is configured at a compact 18 height to fit under most cabinets. A retractable 16 hose provides superior maneuverability, and the dual-function spray head gives users the ability to switch from splash-free aerated stream to powerful spray in a snap. Here are some of the specific features I love about Kraus KPF1610S's Bolden. Perfect fit, optimized for home use, compact 18-inch height fits beneath almost any kitchen cabinet. Pull-down spray head offers an extended range of motion all around. The sink wear-resistant finish will not fade or tarnish over time. Available in multiple finish options so you can create a look you love. Dual-function spray head, easy clean rubber nozzles offers aerated stream for everyday cleaning and powerful spray for heavy-duty rinsing. Docking arm with holder keeps flexible spring sprayer securely in place. Smart handle design, single handle operates with 90-degree forward rotation, allowing for installation in tighter spaces with no backsplash clearance needed. Premium ceramic cartridge provides long-lasting leak-free use. Installation ready, pre-attached water supply lines and all mounting hardware included. Lifetime limited warranty, satisfaction guaranteed with top-rated customer service that always puts you first. Here are some pros and cons about Kraus KPF1610S's Bolden. Pros: modern design, high arc spout, solid construction, dual-function sprayer, easy to install, lifetime warranty. Cons: limited finish options, size. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to get the Kraus KPF1610S's Bolden faucet depends on your individual needs and preferences. Weigh the pros and cons carefully and consider your budget and kitchen layout before making a final decision. The next one is the streamlined and elegant Kraus KPF2820O Oletto pulled-down faucet. Features a distinctively modern design with universal appeal. Every design detail is carefully thought through to create a perfectly balanced faucet that enhances any kitchen or laundry room. To personalize the look, choose from a variety of durable and corrosion-resistant finishes that are designed to protect your faucet over a lifetime of use, including proprietary spot-free finishes that make an ideal choice for busy kitchens. The Oletto single-lever pull-down faucet has a streamlined silhouette that coordinates with any kitchen sink with a dual-function spray head for maximum efficiency. This faucet is made with quality components in order to ensure superior performance and durability. A quick duct mounting assembly eliminates the need to secure the faucet underneath the sink, making top-mount installation exceptionally easy. Here are some of the specific features I love about the Kraus KPF2820O Oletto pull-down faucet. Universal design, the elegant and ergonomic Oletto faucet creates an instant focal point in any kitchen or laundry room. Flawless corrosion-resistant finish will not fade or tarnish over time. Available in spot-free all-bright stainless steel or antique champagne bronze to prevent water spots and fingerprints. Faucet height 16 5/8 in. Spout reach 8 7/8 in. Swivels 360 degrees for a full range of motion. Flow rate 1.8 GPM. Dual function spray head with aerated stream for everyday cleaning and powerful spray for heavy-duty rinsing. Easy clean nozzles allow you to wipe away mineral build up for long-lasting performance. Built to last with lead-free solid brass construction and premium components for a lifetime of leak-free use. Installation ready, pre-attached water lines, quick connect sprayer hose, and quick weight counterweight included for easy installation. Here are some pros and cons about Kraus KPF2820M Oletto pull-down faucet. Pros: modern design, easy installation, dual-function sprayer, solid construction, pull-down spray head, smooth operation, limited lifetime warranty. Cons: limited finish options, water spotting. Overall, the Kraus Oletto single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet is a well-rounded option for those seeking a stylish, functional, and durable faucet. Its diverse design options, flexible functionality, and strong construction make it a popular choice for a variety of kitchens. Here is the next one: Kraus Sellette KPF1682 FS pull-down kitchen faucet, featuring a classically inspired design reimagined with new details that celebrate the traditional aesthetic. The Sellette traditional faucet adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. A beautifully edged spray head and base add visual intrigue to the high arc spout, creating a perfect decorative touch. The highly functional pull-down design features an ergonomic spray head that switches between aerated stream and powerful spray to handle all your kitchen tasks. Reach technology offers an extended range of motion with an easy retract hose and swivel adapter for maximum flexibility. Soft rubber nozzles make the spray face easy to clean for a long-lasting, powerful flow. Includes a soap dispenser and optional deck plate, which allows you to install this single-handle faucet with a 1, 2, or 3-hole sink. Customize the look with your choice of finish. Sellette traditional faucet is available in oil-rubbed bronze and easy-to-clean spot-free all-bright stainless steel. Here's a closer look at what makes this faucet so special. Corrosion-resistant finish will not fade or tarnish over time. Available in oil-rubbed bronze and spot-free all-bright stainless steel that resists water spots and fingerprints. Solid brass construction and top-of-the-line components ensure long-lasting leak-free performance. Secure docking. Spray head clicks firmly into place with an under-sink counterweight that prevents drooping over time. Single-handle faucet design offers smooth operation with effortless temperature and flow control. Spout swivels 360 degrees for a full range of motion. Installation ready, flexible pre-attached water lines, quick connect sprayer hose make installation easy, and optional deck plate. Do not use any abrasive material such as a scouring pad, brush, or steel wool to clean the surface of your Kraus product. Here are some pros and cons about Kraus Sellette KPF1682 FS pull-down kitchen faucet. Pros: classic design, functional features, easy to install. Cons: fingerprint prone, limited reach. Overall, the Kraus Sellette KPF1682 FS is a great option for homeowners looking for a stylish and functional traditional-style kitchen faucet. It is easy to install and maintain, and it offers a variety of features that make it a versatile and convenient choice. The another one, Kraus KPF1603BGMB Artec Pro 2-function commercial-style pre-rinse kitchen faucet. Transform your kitchen with the sleek professional look. Commercial style kitchen faucet featuring a striking high arc open coil spout with an industrial aesthetic. The versatile design includes a pre-rinse sprayer for blasting away tough food residue, and a rotating pot filler that allows you to quickly fill up your largest pots and tallest pitchers. Magnetic docking snaps the spray head securely into place, offering maximum efficiency for everyday tasks. The Kraus KPF1603BGMB Artec Pro 2 is a 2-function commercial-style pre-rinse kitchen faucet with a pull-down spring spout and pot filler, finished in a striking two-tone brushed gold, matte, black. It's a popular choice for those who want a high-end, professional look in their kitchen. Here are some of the specific features I love about the Kraus KPF1603BGMB Artec Pro 2-function kitchen faucet. Two-tone brushed gold or matte black finish creates a striking modern Look of luxury that looks great in any kitchen. Wear-resistant finish will not fade or tarnish over time. Available in multiple single-tone and two-tone finish options so you can create a look you love. Two-function faucet pot filler provides aerated stream to fill large pots and pitchers. Pre-rinse sprayer offers a powerful spray to blast away tough food residue. Magnetic docking snaps spray head back into place for a secure hold. Easy, clean rubber nozzles allow you to wipe away mineral buildup for a strong, long-lasting flow. Durable all-metal construction with a metal body and stainless steel. Spring spout. High arc spout swivels 360 for a full range of motion, offers ample clearance for cleaning your largest cookware dimensions. Faucet height 24/3/4 in, spout height 6 5/8 in, spout reach 7 5/8 in, sprayer height 11 1/4 in, sprayer reach 7 1/8 in. Here's a summary of the pros and cons of the Kraus KPF1603BGMB Artec Pro to kitchen faucet. Pros: stylish design, functional, durable, easy to install. Cons: price, size. Overall, the Kraus KPF1603BGMB Artec Pro 2 is a well-made and stylish faucet that is sure to impress. It's a great option for those who are looking for a high-quality faucet that will make their kitchen look and function like a pro. Just make sure you have the space and budget for it. The next product, the sleek and stylish Kraus KPF3104M Oletto Contemporary Pull-Down Single-Handle Kitchen Faucet features a balanced contemporary design with gooseneck, spout and slim single-lever handle for an uncluttered look. To personalize the look. Choose from a variety of durable and corrosion-resistant finishes that are designed to protect your faucet over a lifetime of use, including proprietary spot-free finishes that make an ideal choice for busy kitchens. The Oletto single-lever pull-down faucet has a streamlined silhouette that coordinates with any kitchen sink with a dual-function spray head for maximum efficiency. This faucet is made with quality components in order to ensure superior performance and durability. A quick dock mounting assembly eliminates the need to secure the faucet underneath the sink, making top-mount installation exceptionally easy. Here are some of the specific features I love about the Kraus KPF3104M Oletto Contemporary Pull-Down Single-Handle Kitchen Faucet. Universal design, streamlined and elegant. The Oletto Contemporary Pull-Down Faucet features a clean minimalist design with universal appeal for any kitchen or laundry room. Available in spot-free finish that prevents water spots and fingerprints for a cleaner faucet, resists corrosion, and is exceptionally easy to keep clean without the use of abrasive chemicals or cleaners. Perfect fit, optimized 16 1/4 in. Height fits under any cabinet for installation. Flexibility dimensions, faucet height 16 1/4 in. Spout height 7 7/8 in. Spout reach 9 in. Heavy-duty construction, 100% lead-free brass water lines and metal body. Ensure reliable, long-lasting performance that will add value to any home. Pull-down spray head with reach technology offers maximum maneuverability with an easy retract hose and swivel adapter that enables a full range of motion so you can flex, pivot, and reach all around the sink. Dual-function spray head, switch between aerated stream for everyday cleaning and powerful spray for heavy-duty rinsing. Perfect glide docking, designed for smooth retraction and secure docking. The spray head docks with perfect alignment every time. High arc spout offers more room under the faucet for oversized items like tall pitchers. Swivels 360 degrees for a broad range of motion. Easy clean nozzles, soft rubber spray holes allow you to easily wipe away mineral buildup with the touch of a finger for a long-lasting, powerful flow. No scrubbing required. Soft stream aerator offers optimal water pressure. Installation ready, durable pre-attached nylon water lines, quick weight, counterweight, and mounting hardware included for easy installation. Smart handle design, single lever handle operates with 90-degree forward rotation, allowing for installation in tighter spaces with no backsplash. Clearance ADA compliant and easy to use. Here are some pros and cons of this faucet. Pros: modern design, pull-down spray head, single lever operation, durable construction, easy to clean. 360-degree swivel spout. Easy installation. Limited lifetime warranty. Cons: matte finish maintenance. Spray head durability. Size. Overall, the Kraus KPF3104M Oletto is a stylish and functional faucet with a high-quality build. However, its premium price tag, water spot visibility, and limited reach might be drawbacks for some. Carefully weigh the pros and cons and consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. There you have it, our top 5 Kraus kitchen faucets: the KPF1610 SS Bolden, KPF2820M Oletto, KPF1682 FS Sellette, KPF1603BGMB Artec Pro 2, and KPF3104M Oletto. Models: whether you're aiming for modern, minimalist, or classic vibes in your kitchen, Kraus has you covered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home improvement content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy kitchen!